Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn our next lesson, lesson number 8, hazards to the computer. In this lesson, we are going to learn what is computer virus, how it spreads, impact of virus on computers, how to prevention the virus, how to protect against from the virus, what is antivirus. So let us have a look. First one, what is computer virus? A computer virus is a small malicious software program loaded into a user's computer without the user's knowledge and performs malicious action. It can self-replicate, inserting itself into other programs or files, infecting them into the process. Not all computer viruses are destructive through. That means, in simple language, we can say that computer virus is a dangerous software. It is also a software which can steal our data, which can make our system unfunctionable, which can trouble us. Virus can steal the data, virus can harm your computers, virus can mislead your data, etc. In simple language, I already told you, computer virus is a software which can destroy our computer data. Next one is how it spreads. Computer virus usually spread in one of three ways: from removable media, from downloads of the internet, from email attachments. Although the internet gets a bad rap as a source of virus, you are no more likely to contract a virus from the web than you are from packed software. That means, see here, if you download any unauthorized softwares, which is like cracked softwares, you are having the highly chances to get the virus in our system. So I told you three ways. First way is removable media. Removable media means what? Like pen drives, micro cards. You can see here examples. Next one is from downloads of the internet. Downloads of the internet means, I already told you, that is like a cracked softwares. If you are using unauthorized softwares which is not purchasing and you are downloading from other sites, so that is called downloads from internet. Next one, from email attachments. If you observe here carefully, see here, it is an email. Here you can see the http.rapidshare.files. In last it is the .exe. So it may be a virus. So before downloading an email attachment, so make sure that you should scan your email attachments. Okay. Next one is impact of virus on computers. Some computer viruses are programmed to harm your computer by damaging programs and deleting files or reformatting the hard disk. So even less harmful computers virus can significantly dispute your system performance, sapping computer memory and cause frequent computer crashes. What are the impact? For example, if you get the fever, how you look like? Uncomfortable, you cannot walk, you cannot move, you feel always ill. So that is called. Now let us see how a impact if the virus is on computers. Your system will get automatically deleting the files, deleting the programs and reformatting and restarting every time, and when you on the system it will take time. So that is all called impact of virus. So let us have a look. Prevention against computer viruses. Here some tips how to prevent malware from infecting your computer, keeping your computer safe. First point, we need to install antivirus or malware software. That means we need to install antivirus software. However, I have seen many computers, especially home computers, that don't have antiviruses protection. This protection is must have first step to keeping your computer virus free. So you need to purchase one antivirus disk and you need to install in our home computers. Then it is the first step we can prevent against the viruses. Second step, keep your antivirus software up to date. Having protection software is the first step. Maintaining it is the second one. For example, you are purchased one bike, that doesn't matter. You need to maintain that one regularly, keeping the services like that. After installing the antivirus software in your system, we need to maintain it. For example, you need to update your antivirus software regularly, so we can avoid new viruses coming from the internet. Keeping free antivirus software is better than nothing, but keep in mind that it's not the best solution. So don't install free antivirus software. Always keep original software. Purchase one antivirus disk and install in your system. So always keep your system up to date. Third point, run regularly scheduled scans with your antivirus software. It's so difficult to work on your computer while your antivirus software is running. One solution is to run the software at night when you are not using your computer. However, we are turn off our computers at night and so the scan never runs. So set your antivirus software to run at specific night and always leave your computer running on the day. Make sure it doesn't shut off automatically or go into sleep mode. So make sure that after finishing your work, keep your system full scan. Then antivirus will scan your computer system and remove viruses from your system. Fourth point, think before you click. That means don't open an email attachment from somebody or company that you don't know. Don't click and link in an unsolicited email. Unsolicited means unknown email. Okay. Always hover over a link, especially one with a URL shortened, before you click to see where the link is really taking you. So don't click on the URL links. If you have to download a file from internet or an email, an FTP site, a file sharing service, etc., scan it before you run it. A good antivirus software will do that automatically, but make sure it is being done. Once you are before going to download or after downloading it, you need to scan that files properly. Then only we can prevent against viruses. Our fifth point, keep your personal information safe. Be cautious on message boards and social media. Lock down all of your privacy settings and avoid using your real name or identity on discussion boards. So you need to always keep your personal information hide. Okay students, that's all for today. Tomorrow we will see some more prevention points against computer viruses. Till then, take care.